Hello and welcome to Rube's Error Coding. Now, last time we were putting in some basic HTML code to make a basic website. Today we're going to make it even better and even bigger. Now, as you can see here, this wasn't in the code last time. This here is a comment. Comments don't get read by the computer, but they can be read by you. These are useful and it helps you understand the code. So if you've done a weird concept that you wouldn't do before, and you pop a comment there, it shows you what you've done. Now, I put comments where stuff starts, significant stuff starts. So the main body starts here. Now, to make something a comment, you put open tagline, exclamation mark, dash dash, pop whatever you want in there, then dash dash, close tag. This means it won't get read by the computer, but can still be read by you. Now, second thing is line spacing. You may realise that there's spacing between the lines. This is okay. When the computer builds the code, it closes up all the lines, so it doesn't make any difference whether you have thousands of lines in between different bits of code. It won't matter. The line spacing is for your benefit only. Now, today we are going to make a link. Links are really useful if you want to go to a different site. Now, today we're going to be making a link and maybe something else. Haven't thought of that yet. Now, due to copyright issues, I can't use any third-party websites. I'm going to just make one up for now. It won't transfer to it, but again, you can just see how it works. So, let's see what you do. So, use the A tag for this. So, again, presses it up. Now, we're going to go into this tag. I'm going to go href. I call it href, so we're going to call it that. That's what it sounds like. href equals. Now we're going to put speech marks in, and we pop our website into this section. So this isn't a real website, but it will work for the moment. rubeserrand.com. Now, in between here is what's going to appear on the screen. So it will be now, in theory, this should work. And another concept is it will read the code in order. So put the header first. It will put the paragraph next, and then it will put this. The order you put it in is important. That's another concept you need to know. So if you want something at the bottom of the page, you usually put it last. Now let's build it and see what happens. So like that. As you can see, the link comes up here. If we click on it, again, it doesn't have it. But if it goes to a website and it comes back, you appear it sees purple, like you see on other websites when you click on a link. This is the basic link, and we can make it bigger and better. Right, next we are gonna add some colour. Again, we've added some colour here, but I want to make it different. I want to make them be background colour. Again, you use anything you want to make it look nice, with the style actually. So, put it in. And what we're going to do, we're going to pop in background colour. There we go. And now, another thing we're going to do, and this is a great way to learn, is by using what is known as a hexadecimal value. It may sound quite a big word, but I'll explain it. If you have a hexagon, it has 6 sides, so hexadecimal is 6 numbers. Now, this one happens to be 6 numbers or letters, and if you put a certain amount, if you put a certain combination of letters, it comes up with very, very specific shades of each colour. Now, I know a good website, and I'll put it in the description below, of ways you can find hexadecimal colours. Now, obviously the computer understands red, blue, green, but if you want to make it really specific, use hexadecimal value. Also, we're going to put in a hashtag, and then we're going to put in just a random amount of numbers and letters. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Now, this will come up with it, and it doesn't matter. There shouldn't be. It's not like a number, letter, letter, number, number. It's any order, because you find some really weird colours. So if this works, I'll be quite impressed. So again, we close off the tag. The reason we put a slash there is because if you don't put a slash there, it will automatically close off the tag, so that just prevents it from doing that. It doesn't make any difference to the code. So this should work, and it will do it over the whole body. Let's give it a go. Sorry about this. Shouldn't usually be doing this. Okay, it didn't work this time, but again, it's probably because that isn't made up. I'm going to make it 006T5 and 6. Try it again. Okay, so this isn't working, but I know one that does work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should work, and it should go black. As you can see here, because 00000 is black. Now, you can see, we can't see the text, but we can also change that as well. And this is linking up different things in one attribute. Because it's in the same attribute, you can pop it in the same thing. So put a semicolon, space. Now, what we're going to put, colour, and then we're going to put white. Now, because it's the last one, you don't need to put a semicolon. Now, it should appear white. So, what have we done today? Well, we've learnt about comments and line spacing, and also notice there are indentations in the body, so everything's moved in, and then as you move deeper and deeper, it gets further and further to the right. Now, we've done links, so you can link to a different website, and we've also done hexadecimal colours and sequenced attributes. So, that's it for today. Please subscribe and like my videos. I will bring you more on HTML later. Thanks.